Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this session, we will discuss functions notations, and we have functions on x is applied to gives a value 2x minus 3, means that the function that map x onto 2x minus 3. This is often written instead as fx is equal to 2x minus 3. So this kind of functions expressions fx is equal to 3x minus 5, and it can also be written down as f is applied on x to make or map it to a new value 3x minus 5. So, and describe simple function and inverse function. We will discuss this in exercise 2.26.1 from Hodder's education book. And in this exercise, we have f is applied on x and map to 4x plus 3. Find f1, f minus 2 and f0. Similarly for g x 6 minus 2 x, find g2, g minus 3, g minus 5. And we will solve all these problems. And let's start with this 26.1 where f applied on x to make 4x plus 3. Find f1 and f1. This is f is fx plus 3, so in place of x we will write a 1, and that gives 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. In place of f minus 2 we have this minus 5. You can just place this value in place of x and we get this value. When gx is equal to this, find when 2 and we place 2 here, and this will get minus 3 here, 0.5 here, and we get this value. When h is equal to x plus 6 upon 6, find h3. In the place of x we will write 3, and this gives 3. In place of x we will write minus 4, and then we will get this minus half. In place of x we will place half, and we will get this value. So the resultant is 13. And when fx is equal to x square plus 7, find fx is equal to 4 square plus 7 is equal to 16 plus 7 is equal to 23. For b value f minus 3 we have this 16 minus 3 is plus 7. As for half value, half square plus 7, so it will be resultant as a 7 and 1 by 4. And similarly for part 5, when g functions applies, g of x, x is basically 2 plus 3x, and at g minus 4 we will write minus 4 here, and we will get this minus 50. Solve gx is equal to 0. So 5 into 2 plus 3x is equal to 0. So divide by 5 on both sides, and 2 plus 3x is equal to 0, and x is equal to minus 2 upon 3. Find an expression for g minus x. And find an expression for g minus x, and this is in place of x we will write this minus x, and then the resultant will be 5 2 minus 3x. So in place of x we will write minus x, and we will get this results. And similarly for x is equal to 2 upon x plus 1, find h2. So we'll place 2 here, and we'll get this results. Similarly for solve hx is equal to minus 6. So this in place of x, hx, we will write this 12 upon x plus 1, which is equals to minus 6. So 12, and this is multiplied here, and rearrangements, and finally we have x is equal to minus 3. Find and simplify an expression for h2x minus 1. So h2x minus 1 is equal to, in place of x we will write this 2x plus minus 1, 2x minus 1. In place of x we will write this x 2x minus 1. So this is 12, this is 2x minus plus 1, and cancel out, so we will have this 6 upon x. h2x minus 1 gives 6 upon x. And when fx is equal to 2x minus 3 and gx is equal to 7 minus 2x, find f4. f4 is in place of x we will write 4, and we get this. gx is equal to 0 means gx 7 minus 2x is equal to 0, so x is equal to 7 by 2, or 3 into half, 3 and half. So fx is equal to gx, we will write fx and gx here, we solve x equal to 2.5. When hx is equal to x square minus 5, find h4 is equal to this, and find and simplify expression h. 2x in place of x we will write 2x, and this is 4x square minus 5. Find the two values of x for which hx is equal to 31. So hx is equal to 31, so we'll shift it on the right, and this becomes 36. X square is equal to this, so x is equal to plus minus 6. So x is equal to 6 or x is equal to minus 6. So similarly for this gx and this, and in the next session we will discuss 26.2 for these functions.